Hi everyone, welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today we are going to be making this loofah as part of our 2 skein challenge for Mother's Day. For this project, you're going to need a size I or 9 crochet hook and some size 4 medium weight yarn. Go ahead and attach that yarn to your crochet hook and we're going to chain 3. Once you have your 3 chains in place, go ahead and turn them so that you can see this back bump area. So this is not part of the V portion of the stitch at the top, but it's that other stitch in the back there. We're going to go ahead and place a slip stitch in that. And you can see we've created a very small circle. From here we're going to chain 5. Once you have your 5 chains, what we're going to do is we're going to insert our hook inside of that small circle and we're going to place a single crochet. You can see we've created 2 circles now. From here what we're going to do is we are actually going to repeat that 4 more times. So we're going to chain 5 again and then we are just going to place a single crochet back in our original circle here. So when you get done, you should have a total of 6 circles, 1 in the middle and 5 around it. And when you get to the end of your row, it should look something like this, kind of like a little flower. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hop right into my next circle and I'm going to place a single crochet. From there, I'm going to chain 5 and then place another single crochet beside it. And I'm going to repeat that 4 more times so that I have 5 circles inside of this circle. So once you have your 5 circles in place, it should look something like this. And then all we're going to do is we're just going to place a single crochet in our next circle and we're just going to repeat that, placing 5 more circles inside of it. And you're going to want to do that for each of these other 4 circles here till you get back to your original circle. And once you get to the end of your row, it should look something like this. So from here, all I want you to do is continue placing 5 circles in each of your circles that you created in the last row. And once you get to the end of your row, you should have 125 small circles like this. This is where I'm going to stop because I like the size of my loofah. I don't want it to be so big that I'm wasting a lot of soap every time I use it. But if you want to keep going, just continue that pattern. And you're going to want to place 5 of these small circles in each of your 125 circles from this last row. So to finish off this pattern, what I'm going to try to do is place single crochets until I get back to my main circle, which is right here. So I'm just going to single crochet into this circle here, and then it looks like maybe this circle. And this is sort of subjective. It's up to you how you get back to your main circle. And now I am back placing my single crochet in my main circle. It doesn't really matter where, you're just trying to get back to that main center there. So once we're back to our center circle here, what we're going to do is we're going to create a loop that we can attach this loofah to anything with. So I'm going to chain 25. So once we have our 25 chains, what I want you to do is just place a single crochet on the opposite side of where you currently have your chains coming out from of your original circle here. From here, you have the option of going back and placing any kind of stitch that you want, like maybe a single crochet or anything like that, around this to make this a larger, wider band if you like the look of that. For me, I'm just going to keep it simple with the chains, and I'm just going to tie off my yarn from here. And then just make sure that you've also tied off and secured your original starting tail. And then I just cut my tails really small so that you can't see them. Please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you were trying to make your loofah, and I will do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.